Hello, here I am again. In this video I'm making a car. Yes, I know, again a car, but they are so fun to make and kids love to play with cars. Cut out the shape on the bandsaw. Sand the car smooth on the belt sander. Mark the location for the axle holes. And drill two 7mm holes. This tiny belt sander comes in really handy to sand these shapes. Use a round over bit in your router and round the edges. A little bit of hand sanding. Make some wheels with the hole saw and sand them smooth. I try to have some axles and wheels in stock. Sand the axle until the wheel fits. We will wait for assembly until we colored the cars. Now the fun part can begin. Finish with Rubio Monocoat. Now that everything is dry, I can assemble the car. Flush trim the axle with the wheel, but if you mess up the wheel and removed a bit of the color, no worries, you can just touch it up. Hi! Thanks for checking out this video again. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about these cute cars. And I'll see you in one of my other videos. Bye!